In recent years, due to the need for special operations and countermeasures, non-lethal weapons have begun to receive more attention. Compared to traditional firearms, they can achieve their objectives while minimizing casualties. Common examples of such equipment include rubber bullets, net guns, and other similar tools. However, today we will introduce a relatively large device, the Russian 5P-42 Filin strong light interference system. The use of strong light to interfere with targets has a long history. During World War II, the Allied forces used lights to mislead enemy bombing operations. The Allies also developed a special tank that used flashing lights to disorient the enemy. The Soviet Union also developed a laser pistol, which had an effective operational range of only 20 meters and could cause skin burns or temporary blindness. The 5P-42 Filin is also a device that uses strong light to achieve combat effects. However, it is relatively large in size and is designed to be installed on various types of surface ships. It made its first appearance at the end of 2018 and has since been installed on the Admiral Gorshkov-class frigates, with 2 units installed on each frigate. The system is considered to have great potential for development, and its future use may expand further. As a light source generating device, the 5P-42 Filin only operates within the visible light and infrared light range. The light-emitting devices are installed on rotatable support columns and include 4 lenses arranged in a cross shape, as well as cooling and heat dissipation devices on both sides. A simplified version with only 2 lenses has also been showcased. The device is relatively simple to use, as it only needs to roughly align the direction of the light source towards the target. It does not need to shine on the target at a vertical angle, as it is also effective when tilted at a 10 degrees to 15 degrees angle. The front of the device emits a powerful white light, which actually flickers at a rate of 5 to 15 Hz. The intensity of the light source can also be adjusted, with a range of 2 to 5 kilometers, depending on actual weather and daylight conditions. The intense light generated can cause some degree of harm to unprotected personnel, such as dizziness, nausea, and loss of balance. It also affects optical equipment, as it includes infrared light, which can interfere with laser rangefinders, laser-guided equipment, and infrared night vision devices. The 5P-42 Filin can be used in many scenarios, such as combating waterborne smuggling and illegal border crossings. Its non-lethal nature can save a lot of trouble. For example, in confrontations with other countries' vessels, it can be used to prevent escalation while still deterring the opponent. When carrying out capture operations, blinding the enemy in advance can reduce the risk. While this equipment has many benefits, it cannot be installed on ships with a displacement of less than 50 tons due to its size. The device has a power of 2.5 kilowatts and requires the vehicle to provide power for operation, as well as sufficient space for installation and operation. It is suitable for installation on large patrol boats, frigates, and other similar vessels, making it suitable for use by the Navy, Coast Guard, or other law enforcement agencies. Russia is also working to enhance the device's functions, increase the light intensity, extend the operational range, and expand the irradiation angle. In the future, it may be miniaturized and installed on land-based vehicles or helicopters, allowing for a broader range of applications. It should be noted that the device's interference range for some electro-optical equipment can reach 5 kilometers, but its interference range for the human eye is not as far, at approximately 500 to 700 meters. Some claim that wearing sunglasses can effectively reduce the harm. However, reducing harm does not solve the problem, as being exposed to such a high-power searchlight-style device can still disorient or blind the opponent, making their actions passive.